everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here with...
Hi guys, it's Ruslan here.
Ruslan is a celebrity hairstylist. I've actually recreated some of your hairstyles on my channel. It's how we met. You did some pipe braids on Rami Strode.
Yeah, that one's really hard. I don't know how you recreated those.
I needed a massage after.
Yeah.
I legit needed a massage after.
And it's like, how did you see the back? I don't know. For me, it's like a mystery, guys.
Thank you. That's actually a giant compliment to me. But I am heavily inspired by your work, and I thought, let's have him come on and give me a celebrity hairstylist makeover and use all his tips and tricks on my hair.
Yes.
See how it goes.
Yes, I'm so excited about that.
This is actually the result. I love it. There were some things in here that I had not heard of before. So I think you guys need to stick around.
So you actually learned something.
I did learn something.
Good.
So stick around and you guys can see how we got this look.
For the next, I don't know, 40 minutes, you're going to be my client.
Oh,
and
hey.
I'm going to treat you as my client.
All right.
And I'm going to give you my best service.
All right.
You're
I'm going to get
a celebrity right now.
Celebrity hairstylist makeover.
So what do you say if I'm gonna show you and teach you my ways to do the, that bombshell because you're gonna hairstyle?
Yeah. Every time I'm on your feed, I'm always impressed by the waves. So yes, I would love to learn like bombshell waves from the master.
Thanks. Yeah. So I feel like it's really, really important, like to hairstyles to last and to look that good, is to have a really strong base. Okay. So you know how you can just start waving your hair without even prepping it, and you wanted to get that result, but you're not getting it because you don't have a base. Okay. And the base should be wet down your hair, apply product, to have that hold. You have to blow dry it correctly, and you have to set it with some rollers to get that movement. So that's what we're gonna do now.
All right. I'm excited.
So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to wet her hair here in the mohawk section, because that's where I want to create the most volume and that movement.
So I've talked about in my videos before when I said you want your curls to last longer, I've talked about using like a mousse or something on your hair while it's wet. Is mousse typically your weapon of choice, or do you like...
Yeah, mousse.
Okay.
I think mousse is like the best. What I'm going to use now is the Frida Freezy's mousse. Just focusing on the root area.
About how much are you putting in my hair? Like
this much?
Big ol' handful. All right.
After I applied the mousse on her hair, I'm gonna blow dry her hair, and I'm gonna show you my technique how to achieve that volume and that movement. So as you guys seen, when I was blow drying, I was lifting her hair up and blowing the air directly to the root, giving me that direction of the volume. So I was basically blow drying every single piece and making sure it's dry and calm around the root. When she pulled her hair back, it would have some volume.
That makes sense.
You feel already
oh, I feel it. Yeah.
More volume. It's more movable, and I think it's important to do it all backwards. So if you decided to change your bar, you can easily do it because it's not set in one direction. It's set kind of to be moved around. So the next step would be me applying Oribe beach spray. So that's gonna give me that hold, and your hair's not gonna be sticky. I don't know how you apply it, but I usually split the hair into 4 sections. Just take a little section and spray each. Do you do the same? Just
I'd be like this number and spray.
I feel like it's important to spray section by section.
Okay. That makes sense. Otherwise it's just really treating the top layer. Correcting my technique. Okay.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use my Hairy Josh Pro Tools 1 1/4 inch iron. You can use any iron you want. This is just to heat things up. So I'm taking a pretty big section right here, and the same direction you were blow drying it. So brush it through, and I'm just gonna rub the hair around it, and just 1, 2, 3, making sure it's hot. Release, and put the Velcro roller.
Alright. I used to do this back in the day when I had virgin hair and I could never make it curl. I would always put in the Velcro rollers.
Yeah, just give you that strong base.
So this is still just part of the base.
Yeah, it still does.
All right.
Okay, so we just did a mohawk section. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna do 2 more on the sides.
Okay.
And that's gonna be our base.
Okay. Oh, Oliver's got it.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun. Here's the warrior.
Okay, moving on to the side. I'm just gonna take a big section as well. You can do rollers in the back as well. But I feel like it's not as important as, you know, here and here.
That makes
all
sense.
the front pieces. Okay, we are gonna move to the back.
Okay.
Taking like a small section, 2 fingers, 1 inch. And now I'm using a size smaller 1 inch curling iron. So I never do this kind of stuff.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Never rub the hair like that.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah,
That's what
a lot of
everyone
people-
does.
Everyone, exactly, every single one does.
Yeah.
What I do is I wrap the hair around the one,
Okay.
and then I stretch the ends out.
All right.
And this way I get kind of like a wave
Okay.
pattern. Once you do it by twisting it, your curls become flat. Do you alternate directions?
Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, most of the time I go on autopilot and I just do it all away from my face. What's your method?
My method is I always alternate directions.
Okay.
So first one, I'm starting away from the face in the bottom, and then the next layer would be opposite of that,
Okay.
and then the next layer would be again opposite.
That makes
So
sense.
that's how I usually alternate.
So sometimes when I see people stretch the ends out, I see people like really like go with it nice and straight. That's not what we're doing
Oh
here,
my
right?
god, no. The purpose of stretching the ends out, because you know, once you take this section of the hair, you know, it's kind of thick in the beginning, and towards the end it's kind of thin. Once you rub it evenly, the curl is not going to be even because your ends are thinner and they're going to go curly. The purpose is just to make the pattern even.
Okay.
That's how you get the best result.
Got it.
So
That's
it's not,
such a good way of putting it.
Yeah. Okay, so again, my next layer, I'm gonna curl it the opposite direction that I did one underneath. I'm just gonna wrap the hair this way. And make sure to like rock the hair around the one a little bit to heat it up evenly. And then take it off and stretch the ends. I say keep the rollers like at least for 5 minutes so it's like cooled down.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
You see, and it's just stays like this.
Yeah. Wow. Just look out, guys. All of my videos upcoming are going to have Velcro rollers. It's going to be Kristin's products and rollers. That's going to be exclusively my videos.
So, okay, this is what it looks like when we took it all off. Okay, look at the difference.
Oh my
It's
god.
movable.
That's so much vol. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
My roots
And
feel
it's like
perky.
without teasing or doing anything.
Yeah.
So every single piece around the face, around the hairline, through here, I always do away from it.
Okay, I do that too.
Yeah, and also I always hold my iron horizontally.
I was about to ask about that.
Yeah, always horizontal.
Is that for more volume?
No, it's just your wave becomes not crooked. It's always like very
okay.
structured.
That makes sense.
So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go over and use this little baby clipper from Bedhead.
I need that.
We have a part. I take a little section and do not do this section, put it away, and I would crimp this section underneath. And just go down like this.
Oh well, you can
One,
get really in close with
That's
that too.
it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
lady at home on the go, she's got 2 minutes. Which sections would you say are the most important?
Just the front. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you
or
say
actually
like,
mohawk section here
okay.
is important.
So like through here.
Yeah. Where's my favorite texturizing spray?
Everybody's favorite texturizing spray.
Dry texturizing spray. Let's go over with that. You like it?
I like it a
you
lot.
Think it's good?
Yes. Were you afraid I was gonna not like it?
I don't know. You never know.
No, I really do like it.
Yeah.
It's like a very like beachy, natural, tousled.
Yeah, and it's like not much products. It's just about the technique. I love your hair. Wow.
Me too.
Yes, look at this.
I'm glad you love it too. Yeah, all the volume. Hi.
Yes.
I don't know who she
I
is,
love
but
that.
she's cute and I like
love
it.
That.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I love it.
You like
I really
it?
love it. You did.
Yeah?
I mean, he's super talented. I'm not
Thank
surprised.
you, guys. But I really like how it turned out. We didn't use any extensions. It's all your hair.
We talked about
It's
using
just
extensions.
Yeah, we actually did talk about it, but it actually looks really full. Like, if I would take an Instagram picture, I would be super satisfied. Most of the times I work with celebrities and I use extensions a lot. You don't need it.
Oh my
The
gosh.
result is really pretty.
Well, thank you so much for
You're
doing
welcome.
this today.
Yeah.
If the people want to follow you, where should they go?
So you guys can find me on Instagram. It's Hair by Ruslan, and also I have YouTube channel as well where I do my vlogs and tutorials. You can check them out. It's Hair by Ruslan too. So you can find those on the link below.
Yes, and I follow your Instagram, obviously. I watch your vlogs. It's a good time. I recommend. There's always good hair inspo, so
Thank you.
be sure to check it out. But I think that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed having Ruslan on, hit the like button to help support the channel. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley Melissa. But that's it for today. Whether you're old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with us, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye!
Bye.
I got the kitty. Hi. Is this what you wanted? Little tiny tiger. I've definitely had one too many times where I've like teased myself into a corner. It's really nice getting to do a video where my arms don't have to work.